I like this one. Okay, this isn't bad. I like this one because it looks different than the other ones. Okay, so let's do how many loop one is this? How many loops does it involve? It's 3 loops, right? You got the 2 on the bottom, and you got the top one. So overall, how many unknowns should it have? 3 unknowns, right? But notice that the unknowns are not necessarily the currents. That's usually what we do is we do the currents as the unknowns. But in this example, they've actually given you the currents. What are the unknowns that they want you to solve for? They didn't give you V2. They didn't give you R4. And they didn't give you V1. You see? So they want you to solve. They already gave you the current at the top. They gave you the resistance at the top, 6 amps. Let's see, 6 ohms, 6 ohms, 4 ohms. And then the current here is 3 amps. And then 2 amps. And then this is, let's see here, this is 1 amp. And then this is 3 amps. Maybe this is simpler. But if they give you the currents, it's probably simpler. We don't have to do I1 minus I2 minus I3, you know. Let's see, 1 amp. And then here is 3 amps. And this is 4 ohms. You see, so you've got something like this, and then your unknowns are V1, V2, and R4. You know, but then the currents and their directions are all given. So I could do any 3 loops, right? Any 3 loops. So I could do start here, go like this, that'd be 1 loop, right? So here, I'm gonna go with the current, so I'm gonna lose -1 times R4. I'm gonna lose voltage. Then I'm gonna go here against the current. I'm gonna gain voltage, right? Gain, what was this current here? 3 amps right here. So this is 3 amps. So I'm gonna gain 3 times 4. You see, so the current is coming down, and when I go against it, I gain voltage. So I gain 3 times 4. Then here I come down. So since I'm going from the positive to the negative, I lose V2. Why don't I just do the full loop? Then there'll only be 1 unknown. See, because here there's 2 unknowns. Yeah, let's do that. Even easier. I'll just go like this, and I'll do the full loop. So I'll go -1 R4 plus 3 times 4. Then I gain voltage here. I gain 6 times 1. Then I go down. Then I lose 3 times 4. And then I go across nothing. And then that's equal to 0. So actually, these are simpler. So then you're just going to get what? 12 minus 12 cancels. So then you're going to have R4 is equal to 6 ohms. That's it. 6 ohms. Right away. So I don't need, in this case, I didn't need to set up 3 equations and 3 unknowns. So then my second loop, I could do this, right? So this one was like this. And then I'll do this one. V2, I'll go up this way, V2, right? You gain voltage, then you gain 6 times 1. Then you go down with it, equals 0. Okay, so then V2 is going to be what? 12 minus 6, 6 volts. Oh, that's easy, huh? This one ended up being easy. Okay, and then what's V1? I guess I could just go start here and go this way, right? So V1, then you lose 4 times 6, and you lose here 6 times 1, and here 3 times 4. That was really easy. V1 is equal to 24 plus 6 plus 12. 42 volts. Let's see if they gave the answer on that website. Imagine we're wrong. Did they solve it? Oh, it's a good lecture on the Kirchoff loops. Oh, okay. Here's the solution. Hopefully you're right, man. If it's, hold on, is that the same one? V1, what did we get? V1 is 42 volts. V2 is, yeah, I got V1 is 42 volts. V2 is 6 volts. And R4 is 18. Wait, I got R4 is 6. What did I tell you? When it's too simple, you miss it. R4 is 18. Where did I go wrong? 4 ohms. 3. They're saying R4 is 18.
Wait, Professor, how'd you make your loop for solving for R4?
I did the bottom. I did this whole thing. This whole thing. I did this one here. So I started here, and I said -1 times R4, and then I gained 3 amps. Here the current was 3, so I gained 3 times 4, and I gained 6 times 1. Then I went down this way. I lost 3 times 4. R4 is 6. They're saying R4 is 18. Let's see. 12, 6, and you lose. Hold on. That doesn't. Are they wrong, maybe? This is 18.
No, because it should be 18. Because
Oh, it should be 18?
Yeah, because the thing is, right, if we have, so say we have like that voltage 2, right, and the voltage across resistor 2. Voltage 2 is 6, and we see from the voltage across resistor 2, that's 12 volts. So between that point at the corner of that loop to the center of the bottom, we go 18. We have 18, a difference of 18 volts, right? So for
Okay,
those.
hold on, let me write this down. So you're saying it should be 18. Maybe if I do the left loop, I can argue, okay, so you should lose 18 because this is 1 amp, so you're going to lose 18 volts, gain 12 volts, right, as you go this way, and then come down, and then V2 is 6. No, that you are right, yeah. You should lose 18 volts here, lose 18 volts. Okay, so lose 18 volts. Then you're going to gain 12 volts. Then you're going to come down. You're going to lose whatever V2 is. And then V2 we found out is 6. That should be 0. Negative 18 plus 12. No, hold on. You're going to lose 18. Lose 18. Gain 12. Lose 6. Negative 18 plus 12. Lose 6. No, that doesn't work. Negative 18 plus 12 is negative 6. No, brother, it doesn't work. They're wrong.
Can we take a look at the picture again for from their website?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Because look, this is the positive of the battery. So when you go up this way, you lose 18 volts. You gain 12 volts. That's negative 6. But then you go from the positive to the negative, you lose.
Right.
So they're wrong.
Well, there's one way to check that out. I'm gonna go down multi-sim and see if.
Oh, you're gonna recreate this?
Yeah, I'm gonna recreate it just to see.
That's weird that they would be wrong in such an easy problem.
Yeah, I mean. Yeah.
18 doesn't work. Give it 6. If I'm right, yep, 1 amp. I'm right. And is it to the left? What's the green button mean? It should be to the left.
Oh, this one?
Well, you see how the green button is to the right? It should be to the left.
Oh,
the current should be going to the left.
Yeah, the thing is, I'm not sure how you you can reverse this
oh,
but based on like the
oh, it's telling you it's negative 1 amp. Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, so I'm right. You see, 6 volts. Now reverse the direction of the voltage. Let's see what it tells us. The battery. Oh, I see. Okay. Then it should tell us. Oh, then now change the resistance to 18. Oh, even then they're wrong? Oh, bad.
Yeah, I wonder what happened to them.
Oh, even if it's reversed, it doesn't work. Oh, man. Huh. They made a boo-boo. Okay. Okay, guys, another good day. Thanks for teaching. What's the website link for that, Daniel?
It's called Multi-Sim.
Multi-Sync.
Sim, S-I-M.
Oh, multi-sim. Okay.
Yeah.
And you just go create like a username and password?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, everybody.